नमस्कार दोस्तों, डिजिटल दुनिया सेफ रखने के लिए जरूरी है अवेयरनेस। इसलिए आज के राउंड अप में हम लाए हैं इंडिया और ग्लोबल साइबर दुनिया की 5 बड़ी खबरें, जिसमें शामिल हैं स्पैम कॉल्स पर ट्राई का नया 1600 सीरीज मैंडेट, सोशल मीडिया पर बढ़ते एआई डीपफेक स्कैम्स, साइबर सिक्योरिटी में एआई का खतरनाक डबल रोल, लिनक्स क्लाउड को निशाना बनाने वाला वॉइड लिंक मलवेयर और यूट्यूब के नए 3 सेफ्टी पेरेंटल कंट्रोल्स। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की साइबर जर्नी। TRAI mandate 1600 series adoption for BSI entities to curb spam. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TROI) has issued a directive mandating the phase-wise adoption of the 1600 series number range for the BFSI sector. Regulated entities under RBI, SEBI, and PFRDA must transition to this specific series for all transactional and service-related voice calls. This initiative aims to help citizens easily identify legitimate financial communications and distinguish them from fraudulent or unsolicited commercial calls. By creating a dedicated, recognizable numbering plan, TRAI intends to strengthen consumer trust, enhance security, and significantly reduce the menace of financial spam and phishing. Quick Heal warns of steep rise in social media. Scam for 2026, Quick Heal Technologies has issued a critical advisory predicting a significant surge in sophisticated social media scams throughout 2026. The report highlights the evolution of fraudulent tactics, including AI-driven deepfakes, deceptive investment schemes, and high-frequency phishing attacks targeting personal data. As scammers increasingly exploit user trust on popular platforms, Quick Heal urges netizens to remain vigilant, enable multi-factor authentication, and avoid clicking on unsolicited links. This warning emphasizes the necessity of cyber hygiene and proactive security measures to combat the growing complexity of digital financial. Kaspersky predicts billion 26 AI's dual role in cyber threat and defense.
Kaspersky has outlined 10 critical predictions for 2026, highlighting AI's growing double-duty role in cybersecurity. The report warns of sophisticated AI-driven threats, including automated spear phishing and real-time deepfake social engineering. Conversely, AI will revolutionize defense through predictive threat hunting and autonomous incident response, helping security teams stay ahead of rapid attacks.
As cybercriminals leverage large language models for malware development, organizations must adopt AI-centric security frameworks. The balance between offense and defense will define the digital landscape, making AI literacy essential for future-proofing global cyber resilience. Article.
Checkpoint Research, Void Link Malware Framework, Weaponizing Linux Infrastructure.
Cybersecurity experts at Checkpoint have uncovered Void Link, a sophisticated cloud-native malware framework designed to exploit Linux-based cloud environments. Unlike traditional malware, Void Link utilizes legitimate cloud services and containerized architecture to remain stealthy while performing reconnaissance and lateral movement. By exploiting misconfigured servers, it deploys cryptocurrency miners and data exploitation tools. This discovery highlights a growing trend where attackers develop specialized automated toolkits for the Linux ecosystem. To mitigate risks, researchers emphasize the need for robust cloud security monitoring and specialized protection for cloud-native infrastructure. YouTube enhances teen safety new parental controls to limit short scrolling. YouTube has introduced advanced parental controls specifically targeting the addictive nature of its short-form video platform, Shorts. Under the new update, parents of supervised teen accounts can now set precise daily time limits for scrolling through Shorts, with an upcoming option to reduce this limit to 0 to block the feature entirely during study hours. Additionally, YouTube is refining its recommendation engine to prioritize high-quality educational content from sources like Khan Academy and TED-Ed, while simplifying account switching for families sharing devices. दोस्तों, ये थी आज की साइबर सिक्योरिटी की टॉप अपडेट्स। अवेयरनेस रखें, अपनी डिजिटल सेफ्टी का ध्यान रखें और साइबर सिक्योरिटी अपडेट्स के लिए आईटी वॉइस को फॉलो करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।